space station?
Okay.
The Russian space stations. No, international.
So she's like this, and they're running out of oxygen, and he detaches himself nobly because she wants to go save him, but she's used up her oxygen to do that. And so he detaches himself, and that's what would happen to him. Just stay there. But that's not what happened in the movie. What happened, put your feet back up. What happened in the movie was this. Okay? He went flying away, and the system wasn't rotating. There was no centrifugal force pushing him out. Wait, come back, one more here. Yeah, please bring it back. So,
could it have been the opposing powers of their charisma and animal magnetism? These are A-listers we're talking about.
they are total A-listers. So, all she had to do, because in space there's no friction. There's not even the friction like you have here. We got wheels and bearings and wood and rubber. All she had to do was tug. Okay?